for reals, man. Play the premiere already, man. Hurry up, man. Stop playing.
Stop playing. Shoot that premiere already.
George, quit playing already, man. Get ready for that new premiere, guys. Check it out.
Quit playing, play. Quit playing. Play that premiere already.
Hey, George, shoot the premiere already.
Stop playing. Hey, George, what the hell you doing, man? Just play the premiere already.
So I'm sure you're wondering, what is the 8 through 5? You're thinking, I only see 7 barbers at the S5. Well, I created this channel for the 7 of us and you. You make the 8. I believe everybody is worth something. We all have dreams, ideas, accomplishments. The 8 through 5 channel is here to make you happy, smile, and laugh. But most of all, to inspire. The Starting 5 and I are working on showing you some amazing journeys. We all have one. Are you ready to show yours? If so, come talk to us.
What's up, you guys? I'm here to tell you about how to cut hair. Every barber I know uses the quality, precise clippers, and that is right here. Let me show you. And it's Masters. If you're not using this, hey, you're way past the game. You should retire. I also got the T outliners, okay? Precision cuts, quality cuts. If you don't use this, I don't know what you're doing in the barber game. You should retire right now. I'm telling you the truth. Now, what we do, hey, quality barber razors, my friend. Derbies.
Wait, Jesse, this ain't that kind of channel, man.
What's up, man? You're interrupting my show, man.
It's not that kind of channel, bro.
All right, bro. So I don't have to do all this, man?
No.
All right, man. I'm gonna do a low ball fade. I hope it comes out nice.
Ruben, tell us your story, man.
You know, I own Smart Plus, which is right behind Starting 5, and I've been working here for about 15 years. Been doing it for maybe 25 years. I've been working on cars, you know, and you know, I had a dream to start my own business, and that was accomplished, you know, with the help of my wife, of course, and my in-laws, and you know, it's been really good, you know. But not only the work, but just the people you get to meet and the interaction with different people that own businesses, just to be able to come together and you know, and just be helpful to one another has been a blessing. So, you know, just want to say thank you and a shout out again to Starting 5. They've been really good, and them just doing this just shows the kind of guys these guys are. They're really good-hearted, good people, you know. And I just love them. So thank you.
I'm Smart Plus. It's my dad's shop right here. It's a pleasure to be here. Come check us out. 1900 East Highland Avenue. God bless.
Do you do a comb over or not?
No, but go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Knock yourself out, bro.
Yeah, I do now, I guess, dog.
Let's see if it even stays down, bro. My hair don't listen.
That's too funny, bro. It's like, nah, I don't do no comb over, but yeah, I guess.
8 through 5, thank you.